Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction? Move! Today I've been waiting for this one for a long time, but today we are with Moliy. Hope I'm saying her name right. Great. Moliy. Moliy. Shenseea, Skillibeng, Silent Addy, Shake It to the Max, Fly Remix. Official music video. Yeah, man. I've been waiting for this one to forward for a long time. Now it's there. The music video there. Let's jump in it and hear Wagwan and see Wagwan. Let's go. Ready? Yes, sir. Skilly. Hey.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man she love,
yeah.
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 Bad man she love, yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fucking.
Yeah.
Girl you make it cocky brad.
Yeah.
Original girl, some of them a dinner calf.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max.
Yeah.
DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Ladies, summer song ready.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Hey!
Shake it to the max.
Yeah. Shake it to the max. Yeah. Bad man she love. Yeah. Bad man she love. Bad man she love.
Bad man she love,
yeah.
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 Bad man she love, yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fucking. Girl you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them a dinner calf.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees,
Let me shake it to the max.
the DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Ladies,
Shake it to the max.
shake it to the max.
Just rewind, let me shake it to the
Shake it,
max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top.
Yeah.
Man, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match.
Yeah.
Anything him say them, girl, I do it like it's tax.
Yeah.
I make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, me get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm a bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my booms and him still fall in love. Yes,
Hey.
and anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof. I feel bigger taste anyway, you see my past.
Rice and peas body hotter than jollof. Me know so the African them not go like this. Me know the Nigerian them and the Ghana not go like the line their blood clot because they feed them jollof for the baddest thing them say no.
Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof.
Right.
I feel bigger taste anyway, you see my past.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max.
Ladies!
Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Elephant tonight, I want the blood clot. Elephant have a remix, you know. Elephant, do I go on?
Please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Shake it to the max. Right.
Shake it to the max.
Right.
Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Don't have to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill me, ain't too militant. They won't figure eight, but I don't need a man. Still they love how me whine, and me true religion.
Can't play one time. Can't play one time because the production team. Ready again, mama.
If you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Right.
Shake it to the max.
Go.
Shake it to the max.
man she love.
Yeah.
Bad man she love.
Yeah.
Bad man she love.
Yeah.
Bad man she love.
Right.
Bad man she love.
Come
Yeah.
out.
Bad man she love.
Come out.
Bad man she love.
Come
Yeah.
out.
Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss.
Make you come first, coulda never take a loss. Like a ball pump up the pussy
Ladies.
fast.
Skin out the pussy, let me fuck it.
Yeah, you make it cocky brad. Original
What,
girl,
Skilly?
some of them are dinner carve.
And if you
What,
hear this on the
Skilly?
go, bend your back, go and bend your knees.
Let me shake it to the max, right?
The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Girl, skin out the pussy, let me fuck it.
Shake it to the
Why?
max. Shake it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Shake it,
The
girl.
young girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match. Yeah, anything him say them, girl, I do it like it's tax. But make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, me get nasty. I do whatever I want, just become a boss. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my pums and him still fall in love. Yes, and anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a
Hold
hoe.
on.
Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof.
What one?
I feel bigger taste anyway, you see my paw.
No.
And if you hear this on the go, bend your back, go and bend your knees. Baby, shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Shit. Like,
Shake it to the max.
shit.
Shake it to the max.
Shit.
Shake it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Shit.
I'm
Ready.
just the number one in command. I came just to kill me ain't too militant. They won't figure eights, but I don't need a man. They love how me whine and me true religion.
Hold on, man.
You dealing with the body, of course. Oh, you dealing with the boss. If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every dude I ever touched.
Hold on, man. Look at Mama come at Jamaica, come shoot that one here. Look at Mama come at Jamaica, because the boys see this. The boys here.
You dealing with the body, of course. Oh, you dealing with the boss. If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every dude I ever touched. Study want me back, you can't touch this. Baby, I already leveled up.
She have to come at Jamaica, come shoot this. Hey, man, she big up on the side, man, G.
Baby, you can handle all these songs.
Right.
And if you hear this on the go, bend your back, go and bend your knees. Baby, shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Shake it to the max. What? Shake it to the max.
Shake it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bumbleclad. Mama, don't shake it, don't shake it. Don't shake it, Mama, don't shake it. No matter with that, no matter with that, no matter with that. Hey, what to say? What do you think about that one, yeah? What do you think about that one, yeah? Bumbleclad. Shake it to the max, Mama. Big remix. Big remix. They've been at tease that one for a good couple of months now. So I'm glad that everybody link up and make the video happen, the video bad. And the fact say Moliy come at Jamaica. Moliy is pronounced her name. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Glad that she come at Jamaica, come link up with the G them, link up with Skilly and Shenseea and do the video. Yeah. Me like it. Africa and Jamaican link up. What to say? Bumbleclad. It's song, man, a bad song. You dealing with the boss, blood class, cannot the pussy, man, fuck it. Yo, me down there comment section down there, we don't say. Yeah, sit down there. Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. If I send man vice of the real artist progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest, you see it. Jamaica's worst gamer, real artist represent.